Hello dear students, in previous videos we have discussed how to find the perimeter of square and rectangle. In today's class we are going to find the area of square and rectangle. Here also you are going to study two formulas, very important formulas, and I will solve here one examples, and after that I will discuss here some story problems. So I will take here the area of square. First I will solve the area, how to find the area of square and rectangle. So what is the formula? Tell me here. Already I taught this lesson. So this is just a revision class. So area means it is the total area enclosed by the given figure. So area of square is equal to what is the formula? Area of square is equal to side into side. So I will take here one example. Side is equal to 4 centimeter. So what is the side given here? 4 into 4. So write here 4 4s. So I will write here centimeter into 4 centimeter. 4 4s 16. Centimeter into centimeter square. We are measuring area in square units. Don't forget to write here square units. Okay. So writing unit is also very important. So this is the first question. Next, here this kind of examples are there in your exercise 13.2. Try to solve this kind of example. Then this is how to find the area of square. Then how to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is also, you have a formula, length into breadth. Already you know the properties of square and the properties of rectangle. In square all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. In rectangle opposite sides are equal. So we have to differentiate here length into breadth. Here no, we can't differentiate it is a length or breadth because all sides are equal. So the formula is side into side, and here length into breadth. I will take here one example. Length is equal to 11.2 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. So put these values. Length how much is there? 11.2 centimeter and breadth how much is there? 5 centimeter. Okay. So multiply here 11.2 into 5. 5 2s is 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 1s are 5. Most of the students are directly writing there 560, but it's completely wrong. Why? Because here point is the decimal point. After how many digit? 1 digit. So you have to give here point. Now it becomes 56.0 centimeter into centimeter square. 56.0 is nothing but 56. You have to write here 56 centimeter square. I hope you are getting my point. Here there is no need to give the point, because after decimal point if there is a 0 then it doesn't have any value, and its value is 56 centimeter square. So these are the normal, means directly they will give side and length and breadth, you will find the answer. And now I will solve some story problems from your exercise 13.2. So take here one example. Yes. Find the area of the rectangular field whose dimensions are 15 meter and 11.4 respectively. So here directly how to use area is equal to length into breadth, and you will get the answer. I will solve here one more example, and that is find out the cost of clearing. The cost of clearing a rectangular piece of land which is 32 meter long. 32 meter long means it is its length, and 20 meter wide. 20 meter wide. The rate of clearing is 2.25 per square meter. 2.5 square meter. So here what you have to do, see here, find out the cost of clearing a rectangular field, rectangular piece of land which is 32 meter long and 20 meter long. So see here, find out the cost of clearing a rectangular piece of land which is 32 meter long and 20 meter wide. The rate of clearing is 2.25 per square meter. First you have to find here area of the rectangular field, and after that whatever you get area, now you multiply with 2.25 rupees and you come to know how much money you have to pay to clear that rectangular field. Okay, so write here solution. So what is there? See, 32 meter long and 20 meter wide. 20 meter wide. So its length of what? Rectangular field. Piece of rectangular, length of rectangular piece of land is, yes, how much is there? 32 meter long. 32 meter long, and its breadth is, wide breadth means 20 meter. Okay, so area is equal to length into breadth. So area how much is there? 32, and breadth how much is there? 20. So 32 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and this 40. 640 meter square. So the area of that rectangular piece of land is 640 meter square, and to clean that rectangular field, how much you want? For 1 per square meter, 2.25 rupees. So the area here, the cost of, here you write the cost of clearing per square meter is, how much is there? Per square meter is 2.5 rupees. Then therefore the cost of clearing 640 meter square is equal to 640 into 2.25 rupees. After multiplying you come to know. Okay, so I will solve that here. 640 into 225 rupees. So what is 5 into 0 is 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32. Again you leave your place. 2 into 0 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So again I will get the same answer. 0 8 2 1. 0 0, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 3 5 6 7 8, and here 2. So after how many digits the point will come? After 2 digits. So here you have to write 288.00 rupees. See here the cost of clearing is, see here 5 into 0 is 0, 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32. 2 into 0 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. 2 into 0 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Add this 0 0, 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 2 is 18, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 7 8 2. So here the amount is to clear the field we are paying here 288 rupees. Okay, so this is the way how to find after getting, if you know length and breadth and the rate of clearing how much is there, no, then you can solve this kind of examples. See here, this kind of examples are there in perimeter also. If per square meter is there means you find area, if per meter is there means you find perimeter. Okay, try to solve this kind of examples are there in your exercise 13.2. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.